Today's adventures takes us to this gorgeous key lime pie. To get started, we're gonna crush up 1½ sleeves of graham crackers. You want anywhere from 1½ to 2 cups of crushed graham crackers. I like a thicker crust, and 1½ sleeves of graham crackers makes about 2 cups, which will get us that thicker crust we're looking for. Everybody in, we're gonna pulse this for a few seconds until everything is nice and crumbly. If you don't have a food processor, a gallon Ziploc baggie and a rolling pin works just as good. This looks good. I wanted to see how much crumbs are in 1½ sleeves, and it came out to about 2 cups and some change. Into a pie dish. This one is a 10-inch pie dish. To this, we're gonna melt 6 tablespoons of butter. If you want more of a crumbly crust, use 4 instead of 6. Toss in 3 tablespoons of sugar, add in the melted butter, and give everything a good mix. Looks like all of the graham cracker crumbs are coated in butter. Take the back of your measuring cup or use your hands and press the crumbs into your pie plate all along the bottom and up the side. I sort of made a weird edge with mine, but then I changed my mind right as I was about to toss it in the oven and just smoothed it out. We're gonna toss this in the oven at 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. I pulled mine out at about 8 minutes. While that's in the oven, let's work on the filling. We're gonna start with 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, which roughly looks like about 2½ cups. I don't know why I measured it out. I guess today I was feeling like doing some extra dishes. Add in 3/4 of a cup of key lime juice, or if you're as unlucky as I am and can't find any key limes or key lime juice, regular will work just fine. It won't be exactly the same, but it's still very tasty. Add in 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 egg yolks, and the zest of 1 lime. Mix everything together on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Scrape that bowl and pour everything right into your cooled pie dish. Smooth out the top and into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until the filling only wiggles a wee bit in the middle. I'd check it at about 15 minutes. You don't want the top to brown. I did pull mine out at around this time. Okay, here's the really hard part. Let your pie cool for 30 minutes and then stick it in the fridge for 3 hours to chill. I ended up covering mine with plastic wrap since it was gonna sit in the fridge overnight anyway. To make the homemade whipped cream, we're going to add in 8 ounces of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. If you want this to be a bit sweeter, add in another tablespoon of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Whip everything on high until stiff peaks form. Using a decorative tip and pastry bag, pipe along the edges or anywhere you want whipped cream. Toss on some lime slices and sprinkle on a bit of zest. So pretty and tasty. If you're interested, I will insert an ingredients list right here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.